Good morning. This is my first vlog and I'm headed towards the bank. I've kept all my documents ready. Along with that, I want to get ready. So I just washed my face. I will quickly dry it up and apply some sunscreen on my face and start the day. You won't believe it's 6 a.m. So the voiceover Kunal will take over now because whatever I spoke was not audible and I was a bit shy since this is my first vlog. I am traveling to Navi Mumbai because this is the place where I opened my bank account and I have to go there to get some documents for my visa approval. This place is around 1.5 hours away from my place. I checked Uber and other applications. They were charging me around 1000 rupees to just visit this place. Now, spending 1000 rupees is a bit too much to visit Navi Mumbai. So, what I did was I checked multiple applications and I found the fare for traveling Navi Mumbai through a local BEST bus is just 20 rupees. Since it is early in the morning and the roads are all empty, I can try taking a bus. I looked outside my window and my Vanda orchids were in full bloom. I was very happy to look at them early in the morning. I was also very hungry, so I ate some idli sambar from a local place, found the bus very easily, sipped my hot Americano, and look at the view. It was so beautiful and no traffic. I took a good decision of not taking a cab and saving my money. The bank process went smoothly. I got back home by 12 p.m. Now my pet cat Mango, we call him Billu, is getting neutered in the next 3 days. The vet asked us to get certain vitals checked, and if these vitals are all in place, Billu will get his balls cut in the next 3 days. Next stop towards the gym, and today I'm working on my biceps. There's Brown Monday playing in the background, so I'll just sing it because I'll get a copyright if I play the music. Brown Monday, and look at how dumb I am. I just banged the other dumbbell. I finished my workout and I went back home. I just got back home from the gym, and if you look here, there's a tame book. I banged my head on the machine, and that's how I ended my workout. I am now back from the gym. I'm crocheting. I do have some work. I am making more crochet holders for the Nivea thing. And if you can see, Billu sleeps right there. That's his favorite place. I'll show you closely what it looks like. Meow meow. Soft kitty, warm kitty, little ball of fur. Happy kitty, sleepy kitty, purr, purr, purr. So yes, talking about today's work, I am working on 60 lip balm holders. I am done with 50, I guess. I have to make 10 more and I'll finish it by tonight. I'm also watching Sakshi's video and here's my yarn stand. So it is fun working with this stand because the yarn ball just keeps rotating automatically. This is like a very good investment if you want to crochet for longer hours and if you don't want your yarn ball to just dangle around. This is the best. My boyfriend gifted it to me. Hi, it is a Sunday. I did not work. I just kept on sleeping and I just started my work. Finished working on all my Nivea holders and I also made a small pillow for Billu. Then my sister from Canada sent us some gifts, and here's glow in the dark yarn. Now I can't even believe this exists. We don't get this here in India. I also have ramen and few crochet hooks, which I'm really excited to use. But yeah, talking about today's work, I am working on a coffee cup, and yeah, it is for the owner of the Bougie Cafe, which is in Bandra. So I'll just quickly get it done and show you all how it looks. Ta-da! Would you like to have some coffee? You can just grab it and so here's my coffee mug and here's my other work that I finished a little while ago. These are 60 lip balm holders with the keychains and everything. So yeah, I am done for the day. I will sleep now. It's the neutering day. I am very nervous. I also got up very late. Billu is nervous as well. I got up very late. I did not even apply sunscreen on my face. But thankfully, I have some in my bag, so I'll apply it quickly and we will head towards the clinic. So I was here at the pet shop to buy the collar cone for my cat. The pet shop is closed, but look here. I quickly went to the gym, worked on my back, and the gym was all empty because it was the last day of Ganpati. Back to Billu. It was a very difficult day for Billu and me. I went to 3 pet stores. I did not find any not collarbones, the collar cones. I did not find any. Hence, I had to DIY since it is also the last day of Ganpati, and yeah, the shops were just closed. So yeah, I DIY'd this, and look at my walla pav. This is my walla pav. Okay, Vada pav is still a bit unconscious. He got anesthesia, then he got his balls removed. Having pets is just like having babies. They are so fragile. You have to take care of them very well. And yeah, that's my Billu. He's my baby boy. I can do anything for him. Right, boo boo? Hey, wala pao. Hey, wala pao. Okay, so yeah, I think I will end this video here. That is it for the video. If you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to watch more of my videos, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye bye. Next day, early in the morning, I still have to go to the pet store to get the collar cone. But look what my mom DIY'd. DIY runs in this family's blood, you know. Hey, no.